Peer-to-peer transactions, a step forward. Catalan Competition Authority, ACCO. 4. With respect to land transport, mention is made of the possibility of studying the introduction of a compensatory system that helps facilitate the deregulation of highly regulated sectors. For example, if the government considers it necessary to have a taximeter to operate as a taxi driver, and then suddenly decides it is unnecessary, ACCO believes that the possibility of compensating part of this investment caused by the government, which has not been recouped, should be examined. A step forward concrete proposal. Assess the possibility of compensating the part of the investment brought about by regulation which is not recovered. This would facilitate the deregulation of highly regulated sectors. Hashtag a step forward. To make possible peer-to-peer transactions. Increase supply and competition. Benefit consumers and users. Catalan Competition Authority. Government of Catalonia. Generalitat de Catalunya.